Young is leading a smart revolution that will change the world of electronics manufacturing. Based on our pioneering True 3D measurement-based inspection technology, we revolutionized the solder paste inspection market to such great lengths that 1 in 2 SPIs sold today is from Young. Building our SPI technology, we expanded to automated optical inspection, also known as AOI. Every year, we introduce new award-winning innovations and have proudly earned the respect from thousands of customers across diverse industries. Aside from our R&D center in Korea, we have research facilities focused on artificial intelligence and deep learning across the world to help us further develop proprietary AI technologies for your challenges. With our global network of sales and service centers, we aim to respond quickly to your needs and to deliver the highest level of customer satisfaction.
Welcome to ECD here at IPC Apex. Delighted to be joined by Mark Waterman. Nice to see you again, Mark.
Nice to see you.
Okay. So, you know, there's been quite a lot of expansion in the industry. I mean, one of the key areas is of course, the upcoming electric vehicle market. That's pushing demand on the industry for new solutions, greater traceability, and all these types of things. How's ECD addressing this?
Well, we see the need for traceability to continue to expand, especially when it comes to infrastructure. Here in the U.S., electric vehicles are just coming into their own, but there's still a huge gap in the infrastructure that's required to support a large electric vehicle infrastructure. So we see that as a burgeoning market, and all of those facilities to support electric vehicles have all the same traceability requirements as the vehicles themselves. So we see traceability for electric vehicles and their infrastructure to continue to grow exponentially over the next decade.
Yeah, I mean, the EV market really requires a board-by-board traceability capability. You know, it's not a case of, yeah, you can set up the oven and forget it. They want to know about every board going through there. So you introduced Oven Sentinel a little while ago. It has a certain amount of capabilities for monitoring each board as it goes through, but you've updated that recently. Tell us about it.
And we've just pointed out the extended capabilities that we have. Continuous monitoring traditionally has been zone temperature and conveyor speed. It's time and temperature, and convection, the third leg of the stool, a really important leg of the stool, has not been measured because it's been very difficult. Because Oven Sentinel can take other types of sensor inputs, we're now able to put warning limits and alarm limits around convection type data. So for example, air pressure inside of a zone, which many oven manufacturers use to control convection rates. We can put a sensor in, we can measure that, put a warning and alarm limit around it, and now in that traceability record we've proven that both it saw the right temperature, it saw the right duration or conveyor speed, and it also had the right heat transfer or convection rate to produce that board correctly. And like I say, because we offer that as a third leg of the stool, we think it's a more complete solution and more appropriate for high reliability applications.
No, I totally agree with you. I mean, I think it's a very timely and a very important part of the process because, you know, a lot of these oven manufacturers are coming out with more intelligent blowers and that type of thing, and there's definitely the need for more monitoring of these systems.
No, absolutely, and the need for automation and get me the information as painlessly as possible. Sometimes you can push too hard for ease of use and forget to measure the things that are really important, right? It might be easy to get data to collect it and say that everything's okay, but it's more of a challenge to prove that it was really processed correctly. So we're trying to do a good mixture of both, providing some automation, some ease of use, labor savings, but really giving you the data that proves that your products were processed correctly.
So. Well, it's great to see that you're continuing to evolve. I mean, we saw some new products coming out from ECD stable at Productronica, and you're obviously you're not sitting still, that's for sure.
No, absolutely. Our customers demand that we evolve and continue to create better products with higher value. And to be honest, our competition drives us to do better and to make more innovative products. So we love doing it.
Yeah, great. Well, thank you for sharing with us today.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Trevor.